Creation of a forest carbon landfill at Bashkir State Agrarian University. Bashkir State Agrarian University is one of the leading agricultural universities in Russia, one of the top 10 agricultural universities in the country, located in the city center of Ufa, the capital of Republic of Bashkortostan. It teaches more than 10,000 students from different regions of Russia at 7 faculties. As part of the realization of the scientific and technical program, Bashkir State Agrarian University, together with scientific community, is working on the preparation of a project to create the 8 carbon landfill. All countries of the world acknowledged the urgent climate problem and agreed to collectively take steps to solve it by signing the Paris Agreement. More than 200 states have pledged to achieve a zero carbon footprint by 2050. To achieve this goal, including in our country, it will be necessary to take the first step, to learn how to control greenhouse gas emissions as well as to develop a mechanism for their absorption. These two processes form the carbon balance of the territory. The carbon landfill is just a platform for the development and implementation of such technologies. In the Russian Federation, in accordance with the National Action Plan for Adaptation to Climate Change, carbon landfills are being actively created at various references sites with participation of universities and scientific organizations. These are marine territories: Baltic, Black, Okhotsk Seas, swamps, Moscow regions, Khanty-Mansi Autonomous Okrug, foothill and mountainous areas, Republic of Chechnya, mixed forests, Voronezh Region, Republic of Bashkortostan, Republic of Tatarstan, taiga forests, Sverdlovsk Region, and others. Researchers of the sites will be able to assess in detail the sequestration potential of each ecosystem to develop the most effective solutions for carbon dioxide absorption. A number of sites have also been identified in the Republic of Bashkortostan, where technological solutions for the determination of greenhouse gases are being studied. The Forest Fund accounts for 40% of the region's area, 5.7 million hectares. Forests are the main natural sink of greenhouse gases in the terrestrial ecosystem. On average, 1 ha of forest on the lands of the Forest Fund absorbs about 1 ton of greenhouse gas per year. The purpose of the project is the introduction of modern technologies for creating a carbon landfill, allowing to study the deposition of carbon by forests. On the territory of Republic of Bashkortostan for 2022-2023, the laying of 5 experimental sites has been determined. 2 of them, a forest plot and a plot under arable land, are part of the educational and scientific center of the Bashkir State Agrarian University. Plot number 1 is a forest area for the natural ecosystem. Plot number 2 is agricultural land under the arable land. On the following slide, you can see the geographical coordinates of the experimental forest plot of 109 hectares area located in Ufa district. The site currently has an insulated building, electricity heat supply, information and communication network, transport links, security system to ensure constant year-round measurements of CO2 emissions by the Eddy Covariance station. A research mast with a height of 32 meters has been designed. On-site monitoring is carried out by Sniffer 4.0 gas analyzer installed on the Matrice 300 RTK unmanned vessel. Aerial photography was carried out on the forest site. Total emissions and detailed topographic plans of the terrain M1500 were determined. Industrial 1 DJI Matrice 300 RTK combo quadrocopter plus P1 camera plus MicroSense Autumn P40 fields. The next task is to create a structure of spatial databases on the volumes of carbon deposition by forests. In the course of the work, measurements of gas flows, monitoring of forests using remote sensing methods, GIS technologies, and ground research. digitalization of maps of the carbon landfill, satellite images will be implemented, calculation of carbon deposition by forest stands will be formed. According to the results of the research, it's planned to draw up a technical task for creating a carbon farm based on fast-growing woody plants. As a result, it will be possible to study the carbon balance of ecosystems of the Republic of Bashkortostan, evaluate the effectiveness methods for monitoring current levels of greenhouse gases, to create compensatory landings in order to increase carbon sequestration along the engineering infrastructure of gas distribution and gas production companies, as well as on the territories of industrial enterprises. In the near future, it's planned to inventory of the territory of the carbon landfill using a satellite images, development of methodology of determining CO2 absorption, indices, greenhouse gases, and etc. Thanks for your attention.